Hi guys, we're going to unbox the a DJI OM4. It's like a handle that you can hold it and it will magnetize in your phone, I think. And we're going to unbox it. Okay. So how can you unbox this? I found it. Oh, over here. Okay, so yeah. Ooh. It said create magnet movements, and this is the instructions. You can see it. No, but this happens. Ooh, what's this? Oh, you can open it. Whoa! Oh, we found it, guys. We found it. Found the magnetizer thing. Yeah, I think you're supposed to put it with your phone. I don't really know how to adjust this. It looks so cool. Never mind. And I think you're supposed to connect this like that. Like this. Has to screw in. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I think there's a way to adjust this, but I don't know. And because we already unboxed this, this is the charger. So bye guys.